Hey everybody, today we're going to take a look at the Revel Hybrid mattress. This mattress is available on Amazon. It's made by a company called Inacor. Inacor is a big company. They make all kinds of different mattress brands. The reason I offered to review this one though is it's actually an amazing price point, 3-layer construction, and they use this foam layer in the middle that kind of mimics a latex, which gives it a really unique feel. So all in all, when you add up the price, the feel, it's a 12-inch mattress, get it on Amazon, super quick. It's kind of a no-brainer. So we're gonna dive in and take a little bit more look at it. So the Revel Hybrid mattress measures 12 inches deep. Starting with the cover, it's a stretch knit cover, which is really breathable. Underneath that, you get 3 inches of a cooling gel foam with a beaded gel technology. What that is when you put your hands on it, the gel's in a solid state to begin with, and then as heat is added to it, it actually turns into a liquid, and that draws heat away. So you get this nice cooling sensation. Plus, at 3 inches deep, it really cradles your body. Underneath that is what they call a Liftex foam. This is a proprietary foam that sort of mimics a latex. It bounces back really quick. It's also convoluted, which means that there's peaks and valleys, and that allows even more airflow. Beneath that, you get 7 inches of base foam. So it provides a real sturdy, even surface for the other layers to work at their best. Overall, I'd give it sort of like a medium feel, maybe even just a medium soft, because you really do sink into it. But like I said, that middle layer of the Liftex foam, it's gonna keep you afloat and gives you sort of this weightless type feeling. Now the Revel Hybrid mattress is a little bit on the softer side. You're really gonna sink into it. And I attributed that to the 3 inches of the gel foam on top. So that's really gonna cradle your body, cradle all your pressure points. What helps is the Liftex foam in the middle. That's sort of gonna catch you and provide a little bit more buoyancy, so it's gonna make it easier to move around on and recover just a little bit quicker. That said, I do recommend this one primarily for side sleepers. If you want to go a little bit firmer and go with a stomach sleeper or back sleeper recommendation, you may want to look at their other option, which has a firmer feel. But this one is just perfect for side sleeping. Now in terms of sleeping hot, because it's an all foam mattress, it will retain a little bit more heat, but I have found that they are pretty generous with the cooling material on that top layer. And keep in mind the Liftex foam is convoluted, so you're going to get those air channels dissipating heat for you. So all in all, it's a relatively cool sleeping mattress for a memory foam, and in my opinion, it's ideal for side sleeping. The Revel Hybrid mattress comes in at a super low price point of $399 in a queen size. So that really puts it at a different category in terms of price and value. Typically, you're gonna expect to pay around $800 for a queen size mattress online. Now the caveat to that is that you're not backed by a free trial. Most of the mattresses that I reviewed come with at least a 100-night trial. The Revel Hybrid, you're backed by the Amazon standard 30-day trial period. So you do get those 30 days. Just keep in mind that you would have to pay return shipping. Now this mattress weighs 90 pounds, and there's really no way you're gonna get this thing back in a box. So shipping costs would probably be cost prohibitive. But now keep in mind, $399 for a queen size, and it's made in the USA. One thing I noticed is there's really no smell to this mattress. You can sleep on it right away. Unlike some of the mattresses coming from China, there can be some considerable off-gassing. So all in all, it's a good value, and in my mind, a pretty darn good bet. All in all, I was really impressed with the Revel Hybrid, mainly because of the price. At $399 for a queen, it's really hard to beat and hard to get something with this type of construction. So if you head over to sleepsherpa.com, you're gonna see how the Revel compares to other mattresses in the 500 and under category. We have a whole category that breaks these down, so you can really compare similar constructions and similar price points. Now keep in mind, again, there is no free trial with this one. You are backed by those 30-day Amazon trial, but it can be a little bit of a pain to do the return. So, obviously there is a little bit of a trade-off, price versus convenience, but I think if you know that you're a side sleeper that wants excellent pressure relief, you don't want any motion transfer, and you want a mattress that's fairly breathable, the Revel Hybrid will tick all those boxes for you. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com for more information and the latest discounts.